Hi and welcome to Fynamics, a global e-invoicing and a tax compliance automation platform accredited across 8 countries and growing, over 3,500 plus global clients, 8 years of operations, 140 million plus e-invoices processed. Our accreditations are across India, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Netherlands, Belgium, Malaysia, and Japan. In the UAE, we are a MOF fully accredited ASP, part of the first cohort that the Ministry of Finance released on 9th of July 2026. Today we will go through the selection of Fynamics as the ASP on the EmaraTax portal, thereby enabling you to be within the ASP selection compliance deadline for the 30th October 2026 due date, and to also enable you to be ready for the mandatory 1st of Jan 2027 go live if you are part of phase 1. First, visit the Federal Tax Authority portal, which is eservices.tax.gov.ae, and sign in with your UAE pass or any of the other login options that have been provided. Once you log in, you will be redirected to the home page that lists the entities that are part of the EmaraTax portal under your name. Choose the specific entity. Now on the left panel, you will see the option saying e-invoicing. Click on that link to get redirected to the set of ASP selections. So you will have to go through the services eligibility criteria and the service steps. And once you have gone through them, click on start, proceed, and you will have the list of ASPs listed. You can select a larger number and scroll down to find Fynamics 159905, Fynamics Techno Solutions FZCO, a fully accredited ASP for UAE e-invoicing. You can scroll down, proceed to ASP page. You will see this alert that you're about to leave the FTA site and you want to proceed. Click on yes. You will get redirected to the Fynamics end user onboarding page where you enter your registered EmaraTax email ID, the optional field to enter the registered mobile number, and the TIN. Now, how you find the TIN is in the FTA site. You will find it at the top. It is the first 10 characters of your TRN or VAT number. So the first 10 characters is going to be your TIN. You can copy that and paste it in here. Enter the valid registered EmaraTax email address and then click on verify applicant details. We should see this information on the screen. Your details are fetched from the FTA site. Please go through these details, your entity legal name in English, in Arabic, the VAT TRN if applicable, the date of submission, etc. And then click on I declare that all the information provided is true, accurate, and complete, and go ahead to submit. Once the submission is done, you are linked with Fynamics ASP. To validate that, you can go to the linking status with the ASP, and you will see your taxpayer name with the ASP ID 159905 and ASP name of Fynamics Techno Solutions FZCO, showing the status as linked. So this will complete the linkage status or the linking with Fynamics as the ASP. Additionally, what Fynamics does is to also register you on PayPal SMP, because Fynamics is a global PayPal AP and SMP. So we will register you also as a participant on the PayPal SMP and propagate your participant details across the network globally. So you will also get registered on PayPal, and you will be notified through an email once the PayPal propagation is done. The email will be sent to the registered EmaraTax email ID that you provided at the top of the screen. With that, your linkage of your entity with Fynamics, both on EmaraTax and the registration of your entity on PayPal SMP gets completed. You are now ready to register your details on Fynamics portal and start with e-invoicing from day one. Thank you so much for watching this video. For any queries, feel free to visit our website or talk to our sales team. Thanks again.